Hello, welcome back to my channel. We're going to do a quick little game that you can do with your family. It's a 2-person or it can be several people in the game. It's a lot of fun. I've played it just with my husband, and I've played it as a group at a party, so it's a lot of fun. It's called Eat It, Meet It, or Beat It. So let's get into it. Okay, this is how you play Eat It, Meet It, or Beat It. Okay, first things first, this is a fun little family game that is actually interesting because sometimes these family games can be so boring, okay? But let's get started. So you deal out 4 cards. 1, 2. Let's see if you can see both. Okay, yeah, there we go. 2 on that one. 3, 3, 4, 4. And then I'm gonna do 4 with the right side up. And then 4 down. So let me move this back so you can see what I'm doing exactly. This is 4 down. And then I'm going to do the same. This is the one that's going to be in my hand. The first 4 that I dealt. And then I'm going to do the same here. First I'm going to deal the ones that are hidden. Then I'm going to deal, so you're going to be dealing 3 different sections. So it should look like that. Okay? And then here's the catcher. Gonna move these back some so y'all can see it. This is y'all's hand. Okay? That's your hand right there, you can see. You always have to keep 4 cards in your hand. That southern accent was about to come out. In your hand. 4 cards in my hand. No, but really. Okay, and then the next thing, this is gonna be the deck right here. And here's the things that you have to know. 10 will wipe out the deck. You'll understand what I mean in a little bit. 4 will reverse it. So just, you know how, like you can do reverse? This will reverse it. 4. Joker's wild. 2 is wild also. So 2 is wild. So y'all have a wild card. Okay? So this is that you're always, remember, you're always going to have 4 cards in your hand. Once you run out of these 4 cards, because you're going to be trying to run through this deck, then choose from these 4 cards. Pick from those 4. And what you're trying to do is meet it. And meet it being, say I put down a 4. And I'm going to put my lowest card down first. Let's say I put down a 4. I'm going to meet it. So if I had another 4, if somebody had another 4, then they could meet it. If they have something higher than the 4, beat it. Or eat it, meaning they have to grab whatever is the 4 and under that deck. Okay? So, I played a 4. Now I have to grab from the deck 1. Now the next person goes. A 4 is down already. You have, or y'all have, see your hand? Y'all have a king that you could put down. So we're going to put that down. I don't have anything. See? I'm gonna let y'all look at my hand. I have queens, 2 queens, a 2, and a jack. Remember, the 2 is wild. I don't have anything, so I'm gonna have to eat it. So that means I get a chance to take the whole deck, which isn't a good thing. But that's how the game goes. Okay? So then, after you eat it, then the person will go again. So they get a chance to put something down. Forgot to grab you all a card. You got another 2. So let's say y'all were trying to be nice and you put down 2 for me for a stay. 2 is like a stay or a wild card. So the main thing is you don't want to have to eat it, because especially if it's a big old stack, then you don't want to have to eat it. Let's see. Okay, so I said 2, so I can beat a 2 with a 4, which will reverse it. So that would reverse it back to myself again. So then I could, this way I could use it to get rid of some of my cards, because this is what I'm holding. So I could get rid of my queens. I have 2 queens already, so I can put down both sets. If I had, let's say, 4 queens, then that would get rid of this whole deck, and I would put it off to the side. And what you're trying to do is work through this deck. So you all need to pick up a card. You have 2 aces and a 3 and a 2. You're gonna put down 2 aces because you want to get rid of those cards in your hand. So that's how it goes. Simple. And you just work through it. And then once you, let's say, get all of these, this whole deck is gone, you then are gonna also start playing with these 4 cards that you have. And then you play with these 4 cards. Whoever goes out first wins. That's how this game goes with Eat It, Meet It, or Beat It. Okay. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.